Hey guys, in this video let's see how to install VMware workstation 11. Let's see. My YouTube account, and search. Our workstation, an old workstation, VMWare workstation 11. Download. If your laptop is new, do the latest. Okay, reject all. Okay, select 3, download now. Control your website is real, isn't fake. Why you download viruses? Okay, I censure. I insert the password. Save. Okay, let's see. I agree the license, accept, and this download automatically. Okay, I download the ISO of the Ring OS. Download. Sorry, but I'm from Italy. No, I want translate. Next. During OS Core or Lite. We have Pro, Core or Lite. Lite, we install an old computer or laptop. My laptop is old. I want Windows 7. And we have Zorin OS Core. And Zorin OS Pro is 39 euros. Let's search. Okay, 39 euros, $42.51, and British pounds, 33 British pounds and 92 pennies. Penny. Indian, it's 3,541 rupees and 16. And download Zorin OS Lite. I agree. I censor it's 5 gigabytes, I do pause. Let's install VMware Workstation 11. We open the USA, yes. Next, I accept custom or typical. I do custom, you do typical. Do next, change the place of the disk. Why? When your disk is full, you change in another disk. Change this. But I have a laptop. Next. Continue. I do pause. The setup is ended. Let's click skip. I have purchased. Now we have downloaded easy. We click finish. And skip this version. In the next video I show how to install an